In this video, I will share with you how to connect Google Gemini to n8n in order to build AI automation workflows. So number one, I will create a new workflow from here. So for the first step, I will create an agent or an AI agent, and then I will add the Gemini to it as the chat model, and then it will ask me for my Gemini credentials. So I will search for Gemini. This is it. Then in the credential to connect with, click on select credential and click on create new credential. And this is the window that lets you connect Google Gemini to n8n. So here what n8n is asking us for is our Gemini API key. So how to get this key? It's simple. Just search for Gemini API key on Google. It's opened in this new tab, and then go to this result aistudio.google/gemini/API. Or just aistudio.google.com. Click on get started, and then here below above settings, click on get API key. And from this API keys page, you can create a new API key. Here I already have a Gemini API key, but I will not use it. I will create a new one. So to create a new API key, click on this button. A new window opens up. Here you can name your key, for example, n8n Gemini API key. Here you can organize it, or you can import it from a project. I will go with default Gemini project. And the most important thing, click on create key. And as you see, my Gemini API key is created, and this is it. Click on it, a new window pops up. Copy the API key from here to avoid doing mistakes, and delete those dots and paste it like that. Click on save, and as you see, credentials successfully created inside your personal space, as you see, and also the connection between Gemini and n8n is tested successfully. Now let's close this window, and then let's start with click on open chat, and then ask your AI agent an answer, a question. For example, hi, how are you today? Or let's skip it with this mistake. Model, my bad. I think there is something. Open node. Gemini API key. Node does not have any credentials set. Okay. Let's retry the action. I think it should. Let's select another model, for example, flashlight. Close this window, and ask it again. Hi. Now the AI agent used Gemini chat model to answer. I will answer the same question. Hi, how are you today? With this mistake, hit enter. And as you see, I am doing well today. Thank you for asking. I am large language model, so I don't experience feelings or emotions, etc. And this is how to connect Gemini to n8n. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. And see you in the next tutorial.